The local feature in MAWi playlist provides the flexibility to utilize any applications installed on the local machine, as well as access and use files that are stored locally on the agent's PC. For example, you can use a folder stored locally on your agent's machine to play all the images and videos within it, using the VLC player. Simply copy the folder path and paste it into the custom parameters field, then click on Save and Finish. Drag the playlist and drop it onto the thumbnail of the screen, then click on Play Now. The local feature can also be leveraged to display a dashboard that is stored locally as an HTML file. You have the ability to specify a desired time for refreshing through the set duration option.